Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use the night staff and grow a garden. Now, to use the night staff, you're just going to place it wherever you want, maybe like the area you want the plant to have the moonlit mutation. Right now it's acidic rain, but if it's like the moonlit like night weather, so if it changes to like nighttime, it's going to help your fruits turn into a moonlit mutation. And I think there's like a max of like 6 plants to get the moonlit mutation using the help of the night staff. You can just place it wherever you want, to be honest. I'll just put it here. You cannot move it though, so just be careful where you place it. I'm just going to place it here. But yeah, that is basically it. Once it's given all six plants the moonlit mutation, it is going to disappear on its own. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.